Hello, happy morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? Little bit nervous? पेपर में क्या आएगा, कितने मार्क्स का होगा, what sums will be there, how many marks, what will be the weightage, and many more things. So students, in this video we will understand our mathematics paper. Let's move. So students, you can see your question paper on the screen. So standard 5th mathematics, you have to mention the date on your answer sheet as well as you have to write the name, date, subject on the answer sheets. So as you know the instructions, I will read it quickly and एक काम करते मैं आपको शॉर्ट में बता देती हूँ instructions क्या है. You have to write the answers neatly, correctly. Okay students? In mathematics, if you wish, आप अपना जो पेज का लास्ट पेज होता है सप्लीमेंट्री का, you can utilize that page for rough work. और अगर आपको वो चीज़ नहीं करनी then totally fine. आप जो उस पेज पर आंसर लिख रहे हैं साइड में कॉलम बना दीजिए रफ वर्क का. ओके आपको 8 o'clock before or till 8 o'clock you are requested to send the PDF or photoshots of the answer sheet. Okay जो भी आप स्टेप्स कर रहे हैं प्रॉपरली नीटली कीजिएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रैक्शंस है, डेसिमल्स है, प्रॉब्लम सम्स है मनी के, तो आप क्या करेंगे प्रॉपरली हर एक चीज के क्वेश्चन मेंशन करेंगे विद क्वेश्चन नंबर. ओके एंड प्रॉपरली उसका सोल्यूशन भी शो करेंगे. जिस सम के अंदर सोल्यूशन रिक्वायर्ड है आप वो पे हर एक जगह दिखाएंगे. अगर कुछ इंटरनल मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन है you will show that also. Okay and you are requested to write in the answer sheets. कोई भी क्वेश्चन पेपर में नहीं लिखेगा ना ही पेपर सॉल्व करेगा. Okay so your question number 1 is multiple choice question. It is for 5 marks. There are 5 questions. I will read it quickly for you. Compare 35.7 dash 53.9. Options are greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Second, find the sum of rupees 48.25 plus rupees 7.38 equals to rupees dash. Students जहाँ पर भी आपके मनी रिलेटेड सम्स आ रहे हैं जहाँ पर आपको रुपीस मेंशन करना you have to mention the rupees else आपके हाफ मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो सकते हैं. This is MCQ, but कोई भी प्रॉब्लम सम्स है जहाँ पर भी कोई भी मेजरमेंट को लाइक रुपीस, केजीज, लीटर्स, किलोमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, then you have to mention that measurement. Okay? So options for the second is 56.65, 55.67, 55.63 and 55.23. Third, subtract 29.13 from 78.09. Options are 59.98, 45.97, 49.69, 48.96. Fourth, find the quotient of 75.75 divided by 10. Understood students? Your answers are, or I can say options, 2.575, 257.5, 2575.00, 0.2575. The last one is 1 rupee equals to dash paisa, 110,000 or 1. Okay. So question number 1 is multiple choice question, 5 marks. Question number 2 is convert the following decimal into fractions. आपको convert करना है decimal को किसमें convert करना है fractions में. A 3.649, B 6.708. Two sums, 2 marks. Okay. Question number 3. Write the place value of bold or the dark digit. As you can see, one डिजिट इज बोल्ड, जो अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है। आपको इस अंडरलाइन डिजिट की प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी है। A 108.73. In this you are supposed to find the place value of 3. B 0.368. In this also the place value of 3. Your question number 4 is solve the following. There are in all 5 sums and you are supposed to solve any 3 sums. Okay? And question number 3 is of 6 marks. Let's read it quickly. A 3.9 minus 3.6 plus 2.4 plus 1.7. Simplify it. B. Find the product 8.6 into 1.4. In this you will show the multiplication part in the answer itself. Find the quotient 3.528 divided by 25. In all the sums of question number 4, जो भी कैलकुलेशन रिक्वायर्ड है आप सारी कैलकुलेशंस उसी सम के अंदर दिखाएंगे। Subtract 345 rupees 56 paisa from 500 rupees. Last, what should be added to rupees 197.5 to get rupees 250? In question number 4, you have to attempt any 3. Okay, and total 6 marks is there. Question number 5, solve the following. Out of 3, you have to solve any 2. Okay, and this is for 2 marks each, total 4 marks. A. Rupees 847.50 into 6. B. Rupees 8,341.30 by 11. C. Rupees 673.20 divided by 6. Any 2 sums. Your question number 6 and last question, that is, out of any 3, you are supposed to solve any 2. I will read the question for you and you will try to understand that which option or which operation you will use in this. A boat covered a distance of 12.93 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance did it covered in 18 hours? You are supposed to find the distance the boat covered in 18 hours. B. Amit brought 4 pair of socks. If each pair cost at rupees 35, how much money did he pay? The last, the cost of 12 pencils is rupees 78.84. Find the cost of 1 pencil. So, out of this 3, you are supposed to solve any 2 and 1 sum will be for 3 marks, total 6 marks. So students, this was all about your question paper, question number 5, 4. From question number 4, 5 and 6, there are internal options. Okay students? So that's all for the day. All the best. Solve the paper properly, neat and correct handwriting. Bye students. God bless you.